Zutendaal by the famous white loves, the famous loves of Gert and Theo Weytjens. They did a superb result on the last national race from Chateauroux. They won with a difference of 1 second. They clocked 2 birds and they won first and second national against 17,165 young birds. And those 2 birds were also the fastest of 19,121 birds. The distance from this loft is 537 kilometers, and the first clock bird, so with an advantage of 1 second, is the B22 50 26730. A cock, small body type. The pigeons were raised on sliding door system, so they were very good motivated. Here you see the wing and the other wing. The first national Chateauroux. And the son of Theo, Gert, is holding the second national. Also a cock. Also medium-sized, small to medium-sized. So with only a difference of 1 second, so he could also win the first national in fact. Okay, look. We have the wing of this cock. The other side. So this team won already 2 years ago the first national on bush. Last year they won also the second national on bush, and this year they do a top result with the first and the second national Chateauroux of 19,121 birds. Congrats from the Herbots team to Theo and Gert Weytjens.
Thank you.